This week we're having the STEM summer camps, and on our summer camp this summer we're doing a mission to Mars.
We're doing STEM and we've shot rockets today, and we had a zip line for cups and trying to get a marble on the target. It's been fun so far. I really like it.
There was a lot of fun robotic stuff, and a lot of doing computer stuff.
We're so excited with everything that is going on. It's a lot to put together and manage, but it's so much fun.
I like it because you get to use your imagination, build your own stuff. I like creating my own stuff. That's why I sometimes do it with my house with my Legos.
We made rockets with 2-liter bottles, and we shot them up with water and air, and they went really high. And then we did zip line. We took a cup and tried to get our marble on the target from the zip line.
I was upstairs a minute ago. We were trying to make a Hershey chocolate not melt over a frying pan.
So it's a high energy environment. As you can hear, they're talking, they're active, they're jumping up and down. You know, it's just fun to watch.
I mean, the favorite part is doing science stuff and making stuff and testing it.
I feel it's more fun and when you get to move and do things with other people. I feel it's just kind of makes you happy and stuff, and it's just kind of fun, I guess.
My experience is I just love it. The people, the friends I've made in this camp.
It's really fun, and then you'll learn a lot, and then you test a lot of experiments, and it's really fun.
I love the people and just all the things that we're doing, all the activities and stuff. It's been really fun.